Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to turn a normal pet photo into a human version using ChatGPT, and it only takes 1 minute. First just open ChatGPT and then next just go to menu, this one, and then go to images. Scroll down until you find the reimagine my pet as a human. Just tap on it and then next just choose your photo from your gallery, or you can also take a new photo directly from your camera. In here I will just choose photo from my gallery, choose pet photo, like this, and then next just tap on done and wait for the process. And okay, like this, your pet is now reimagined as a human version. It's super cool, right? The result, it looks cool like this. From the cat into a baby boy like this. It's so cute. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.